What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It really helps our content reach a wider audience and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, we're going to be covering one of my favorite subjects, and that is secure credit cards. So despite having tons of high limit unsecured rewards credit cards, for whatever reason, I'm still very fond of secure credit cards because secure credit cards definitely paved the way for me to be able to get access to credit as well as build up my credit profile. Now, I know there's a large segment of people out there who just truly hate secure credit cards. The idea of putting up your own money in order to build credit just doesn't resonate with a lot of people. But I absolutely love secure credit cards, especially secure credit cards that graduate. So when you put your deposit down, your deposit is eventually refunded. You get to keep the credit account, keep the credit history, and potentially get a credit limit increase. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Academy Bank Secured Credit Card. So this is a Visa Secured Credit Card, minimum limit of $300 all the way up to $3,000. Now, a couple great things about this: there's absolutely no credit check. It does unsecured. Now, in terms of the timeline to unsecure, that's going to vary from individual to individual. So a couple of factors include your current credit profile. Typically, they want to see your credit score go above a 700 before you unsecure. There's no geographic restriction, meaning this is open to anyone regardless of which state you live in the United States. You can also fund your secure credit account with a credit card. So let's say you have another credit card. You could use that credit card to fund the deposit of your secure credit card. And remember, eventually that secure credit card will unsecure. So you'll get all that money back and you have access just to more credit. So that's a very creative way for you to just expand your access to credit using your own credit. There is a $39.99 annual fee and a 20.99 variable APR. Now, I did call up to Academy Bank to verify a lot of this information and actually went through the process myself. Anyways, let's jump over to their website and I'll walk you through the details. All right, so here we are on academybank.com. So they have the Credit Builder Secured Visa Credit Card. So this is for people who are looking to improve their credit score. There's automatic reporting to the three major credit bureaus. Academy Bank is here to help you build better credit history. You can set your own credit limit between $300 up to $3,000 based on the amount you deposit into your Credit Builder savings account. You can increase your credit limit by adding funds in increments of $50 or more. There's absolutely no application fee. Some of the features include automatic credit reporting. You can upgrade to an unsecured card with good performance. Now, again, this is going to depend on your payment history as well as other credit factors. Again, as I said, there is a 20.99 variable annual percentage rate as well as a $39 annual fee. There is a $4.50 paper statement. So if you do enroll in e-statements, that fee is waived. So the application is pretty straightforward. A couple things: you're going to need your driver's license, social security number, date of birth, current home address, as well as an email address. So this is just basic information. So you can apply as a single individual or you can apply jointly. You just add your first name, last name, email, social security, date of birth, phone number, your residential status. You also enter in your driver's license or your state issued ID information, your employment status, whether you're employed full-time, part-time, self-employed, your annual income. They also have a field here for your nearest relative, so you could just enter their information. So on this page, you'll decide how to fund your secured account as well as how much you want to put down as a deposit. So the deposited funds in the security deposit account guarantee both to you and the bank that the funds will be available in case you unexpectedly fail to meet your credit obligations. You cannot make withdrawals from the security deposit account while the secured card account is open. Your security deposit will not be withdrawn until your new account has been approved. So that's one good thing, because there are some secured accounts where they'll take the money from your bank account and then ultimately deny you for the account. The minimum security deposit is $300 and the maximum is $3,000. As I said, there is a $39.99 annual fee. So your first year annual fee is assessed at card opening and will lower your available credit during the first first month. So basically, they're just going to bill you for the annual fee. Now, right here is where you decide how much you want to put down as a security deposit. So let's say you want to do the whole $3,000, which is the max. You could decide if you want to use a credit card or a debit card. You could also use an existing Academy Bank account as the source of your deposit. So right here is where you just enter in your card information. Now, they do accept Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. Unfortunately, they do not accept American Express. But again, the fact that they allow you to use a credit card in order to fund your deposit, this is a way of being able to fund that secured account without having to come out of pocket. So if you do have, let's say, a 0% APR card, you can use that card to fund this account and you're not going to pay any interest. And you may even be able to get this secured card graduated. This is a way where you can use your existing credit accounts to fund additional credit and just expand your overall access to credit. So right here, you just enter in the card name, card type, card number, expiration date, and security code. Right here, they give you the option to select your preferred monthly due date. So either the first of every month or the 16th of every month. You can also set up automatic payments for your credit builder monthly balance. So you could just select yes, or if you don't want to, you could just select no thanks. That means you'd have to manually submit your payment every month. All right, so a couple key things I wanted to highlight about the Academy Bank Visa Secure Credit Card. So number one, there's absolutely no hard credit check. So you're not going to get a hard inquiry as a result of applying. Now, they will be doing a soft pull for identity verification. So throughout the course of the application, they do ask you certain information to verify your identity, things like items on your credit report or addresses that you've been associated with. But overall, there's no hard inquiry, so it's not going to impact your credit. Number two, there's absolutely no geographic restrictions. So it doesn't matter which state you live in. Anyone in the United States can apply for this credit builder account. Unlike some other popular credit builder accounts like the Navy Federal N Rewards, which is a little bit more restrictive because you have to be a member, as well as the TD Bank Secure Credit Card, which does graduate, but you have to be in a state where there are branches. This is open to anyone and you can apply online. So that's another key point, is that there's no restrictions on who can apply. The most important fact is that this secure card does graduate. So there's a handful of other secure cards out there that do not graduate. Now, there is a place for those types of credit cards, but secure credit cards where you get your deposit back and you get to keep the credit limit, and the credit history is like the best of both worlds. So that's another great attribute of the Academy Bank Visa Secure Credit Card. Now, and it does come with a $39.99 annual fee, and it does have a 20.99% variable APR. Another great thing about the Academy Bank Visa Secure Credit Card Builder is the fact that you can use an existing credit card to fund your security deposit. So you could essentially use your own credit to build more credit. Aside from the $39.99 annual fee and the 20.99% variable APR, there's not too many negatives, I would say, about this particular credit builder. Overall, I think it's a pretty decent product. If anyone is interested, I've pinned a link in the description of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.